The CM of Raj Marwet on Monday officially inaugurated the Baridua Wholesale Fish Market located at 9th Mile, Baridua in Ribhoi district. This is the first wholesale fish market in the area. Following the official opening, the market witnessed active participation from traders and buyers. Fish vendors from Assam and nearby areas visited to purchase a variety of fish through auction at competitive prices. Market's founding members Himu Manar and Dennis Sinkley said the market aims to ease the operations of fish sellers and buyers. This initiative is expected to enhance local trade, promote fresh produce and streamline fish distribution in the region.
Lembaga ni kayo, nagaliang jungi, ada kidon-kidon kipaiba, kipakwa, matpoi kidokha, seki dukan kijongki, lani kipung, kim dadon kam than banwan chene, ada ki semodon kam bagi lekbu ro dan ya delivery service kijongni, kabangila matpoi hadu kidukan, yin kijongki, but kini ki area kolong bentuk adu suku Thai, Roti, Assam. Kiba marjan dengan kayo ko jami bakumjuro ko ba sadu na nadu na ne na po jurabat ter po ni hadu na po yang la bani delivery address.
In celebration of